Please feel free to go back to my Facebook page and look at any of the other videos I posted that you haven't watched. I've done things about TROs, estate plans, landlord-tenant cases, pretty much anything you want to know about.
A lot of stuff.
Next thing I want to talk about, guys, thank you so much for sharing and liking this video. The last time I posted a video, it was about TROs, and it got over 8,000 views.
You're welcome.
I didn't have to pay for those views.
Typical cheapskate Homer.
It was just shared by you guys, so thank you so much for getting that information out there.
Repeating yourself. You're repeating yourself.
I try to make these videos fun and interesting,
I think you'll find it very interesting and a lot of fun.
because I want you to be entertained, but I also want you to gather information. My law firm's motto is to make the client feel empowered in Hawaii's legal system, and this is just one of the tools that we use to do that.
I don't know about you, but I feel empowered.
So please continue to like, share these videos. Also, if you have suggestions for my next video, please leave the suggestions in the comments below. I'm more than happy to look at those and make the next video something that you guys are interested in learning about. In fact, if you post a comment below and it's a suggestion and it gets the most likes, I'll grab that video or that suggestion and I'll make a video about that.
What do you want to hear?
The plan for the next two videos is we're going to talk about the civil court process, what goes on in civil court, and what goes on in criminal court over the next two videos, okay? I've made a long version of this video. This is the condensed version.
There's more?
Post that to my YouTube channel. There's a link in the description below. So if you want to see that video and get a little bit more detailed information, please click that link, go watch the YouTube video, and comment, share, or like that as well.
It's fun. It's like homework, but fun homework.
I really appreciate it. Get that information out there. Not very many attorneys are willing to give you guys information for free. As always, these videos don't form an attorney-client relationship and shouldn't be considered as attorney advice. It's just general legal information.
Oh, curse you, fine print!
If you want to call and hire me or do a consultation with me, and then I can give you advice, give you my advice, and form an attorney-client relationship. So let's get into what the meat and potatoes of this video is all about. It's about the civil process. What is the civil process?
That's what I'd like to know.
It typically starts with a demand or a notice. Those are a letter or posting on property that tells somebody that, hey, you owe me something. I'm going to sue you.
I'm gonna have to sue you.
If you don't pay, or in the case of the landlord-tenant matter, you owe me rent. If you don't get out, I'm going to sue you in court for eviction. So you give them that demand or that notice and they don't comply with it. Then what's the next step? Well, you got to complain to somebody.
Let's complain.
So you write your complaint and you give it to the court. You file it with the courts. All right. Now in the district courts, you're going to file a complaint. You're going to file a summons. And that summons is going to have a predetermined date for them to come back to court physically and give an answer to the judge.
I need an answer now!
Okay? You got to serve that complaint and summons on the person personally. You can't mail it to them or just leave it under their doorstep. In the circuit court, you're going to give them a summons and they're going to have 20 days to write an answer to your complaint, either admitting or denying. And that's what the answer in the district court is. Do they admit to the things you're complaining about or do they deny them? If they deny,
Just deny it. Just deny it.
then things get set for status or for trial. Status is to tell the court what's going on. Trial is exactly what it sounds like. You want a trial? I'm going to prove my point. They've got to defend. Right? What happens in between status and trial?
You tell me.
It's a little phase we call discovery. Discovery is the attorney speak for finding more evidence, more information, and investigating the case. You can do that with pretty much any legal means. Private investigators.
Well, maybe when I was 13, my nickname used to be Magna Pi.
Those kind of things, but there are also written means which you can use, like interrogatories, which are written questions, requests for production of documents where they have to produce things like emails, text messages, and the like. You can do depositions where you're videotaped giving answers to questions that an attorney or the other party's asking you. You can ask for a request for admissions, which a party has to either admit or deny to the very simple question you asked: do you owe rent for February? Admit or deny.
Stop peppering me with questions.
So you can use those to compile evidence to use in trial or in motions. The next phase after discovery is typically motions. This is where a party will file for a motion to dismiss, file for a motion for summary judgment, file for a motion to compel answers, judgments of matter of law.
I gotta sit middle because I get motion sickness.
This is where all that happens, and a lot of times cases are won or lost in motions and not even before trial. In fact, a lot more get won in motions or lost in motions than they do in trial. Okay? If we survive motions and we go to the next phase, then that's trial, where we've got to prove the first portion of the trial, which is, am I entitled to what I'm asking for?
I'm gonna prove it to you.
There's a 27-minute long video posted to the YouTube page that gives you more information about it. This is just a brief rundown of the timeline of what happens in circuit or district court in the civil cases. If you have questions, please comment below. Feel free to contact me at josh@jameslawmaui.com. Visit my website at jameslawmaui.com, or give me a call at 808-419-6937. I look forward to helping you. Am I entitled to recover for the broken contract? Or am I entitled to kick the person out? If you win as a plaintiff, you then get to move on to the next portion, which is, okay, how much am I owed? Or damages. Now, if you're the defendant and you win, then you don't move on to the damages portion. The case just gets dismissed. Now, there's a few other things that go on in this situation, but like I said, there's a 27-minute long video posted to the YouTube page that gives you more information about it. This is just a brief rundown of the timeline of what happens in circuit or district court in the civil cases. If you have questions, please comment below. Feel free to contact me at josh@jameslawmaui.com. Visit my website at jameslawmaui.com, or give me a call at 808-419-6937. I look forward to helping you.